Exercise 3.1, question number 11. A is given a matrix of order 3 by 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 to 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. And we are to find A cube. First of all, we find A square by multiplying A with A by matrix multiplication. So A is multiplied with matrix A. First row is multiplied with first column. First row is multiplied with second column. And first row is multiplied with third column. Then second row is multiplied with first column, second with second, second with third. And third row is multiplied with first column. Third row is multiplied with second column, and third row is multiplied with third column. We get A square is equal to 1 plus 5 minus 6, 0, 1 plus 2 minus 3, 0, 3 plus 6 minus 9, 0. Similarly, by adding this we get 3, by adding this 3, and by adding this 9. And in the third row, by adding these we get minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 3. Now to find A cube. A cube is equal to A square multiplied by A. A square is this matrix. So A square multiplied by A is this one. So when we multiplied 0, 0, 0 is multiplied with first column, second column and third column. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 in all the entries of the first row. And then second row is multiplied with first column. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 5, 15, 9 into minus 2, minus 18. Then second row is multiplied with second column. Second row is multiplied with third column, and similarly third row is multiplied with first column and with second column and with third column. At the end, after adding we get all the entries zeros. So A cube is equal to a matrix of order 3 by 3, and this is a null matrix. So A cube is equal to a null matrix of order 3 by 3. Now question number 12. Question number 12, part A. First part of question number 12. X multiplied by a matrix of order 2 by 2, 5, 2, minus 2, 1 is equal to matrix minus 1, 5, 12, 3. How we can get X when we take this matrix to the right? So when we take this matrix to the right, it will be 5, 2, minus 2, 1, the same matrix but inverse. So the inverse of this will be on the right side, and since this matrix is multiplied from the right with X, so its inverse will also be multiplied on the right side, on the right hand side from the right. So what is the inverse of this matrix? That is obtained by first taking the determinant of this matrix, which is 9, and adjoint of this matrix. So what is adjoint? So changing the places of the elements of the diagonal, and other elements signs are changed. So this is adjoint of this matrix. Now divide it with the determinant of this matrix, which is 9. Already we have obtained. So this matrix and divided by 9. Adjoint of A divided by 9. So 1 over 9 in this. This is the inverse of this matrix. So in place of this with inverse, take this matrix. So coming to the side, so the value of this matrix inverse is this one. Now 1 over 9 is taken to the left and multiply these two matrices. When we multiply these two matrices, so first row of this matrix is multiplied with the first column. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1, and 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 and 5 into 5, 25. Then second row, 12 into 1, 12, and 3 into 2, 6. And 12 into minus 2, minus 24, and 3 into 5, 15. So after calculating each entry, we get 9, 27, 18, and minus 9. Now multiply each entry of this matrix with 1 by 9. We get 1, 3, and 2 minus 1. So x is equal to 1, 3, 2 minus 1. Thank you.